Well, hope you enjoyed the workshop.
Definitely, Chris.
Did it help in your journey towards the cloud?
Definitely. Good. It's a kind of different workshop where we have come up with a good amount of idea in order to invest our time into new initiatives, and definitely this helps us in a better way.
Yeah. Fantastic, that's good to hear. So I see fantastic, let's say, new stuff in there. Can you help us a little bit of what your 3 ideas here?
Okay. I think the value propositions, it has been debated and brainstormed with the team, and then we have chosen the top 3 value propositions in order to take it the further steps. The first one is the ABS to cloud.
Yes.
So moving the on-premise customers to cloud with a sort of approach and technical tools, how to do that. The second one is the prop bots. We named it as to have the intelligent bots or chatbots kind of systems to be used specifically to our property customers where we have more traction nowadays.
Okay.
The third one is the intelligence or artificial intelligence in the manufacturing side where we have a couple of products from Oracle. We want to invest in that and move it specific to manufacturing industries.
Okay, so the manufacturing industry is your focus point there.
Correct.
Yes, correct. Okay, good. So fantastic ideas, very good to see. So we want to grab one of these ideas out, but we want to bring it also to the market, of course, within a time frame of 90 days. Well, that's quite short. How are you going to do that?
I think with the first idea, I think this is what we are targeting now immediately. Maybe this we can achieve it within 90 days. I think because we have the support from Oracle, because yes. Oracle is also moving into this direction. We are going along with that, and maybe with Reddington and other support of people in Oracle, definitely we can achieve it. And we have our own resources already started, some or other activities in this area. Yeah.
Fantastic. Looking forward for that, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're more than welcome. You're more than welcome.
That's good.